Hey, if you want to perform the factory reset on your Huawei Nova Y61 by using the recovery mode, first of all you have to click and hold on the power button to power off our device. Then simply power off. Also, you have to remember to remove your SD card and the SIM card, because when you perform the recovery mode reset, you will also restore data from these two drivers. So now when you want to open the recovery mode, you have to click on the power button and the volume up button. And when the Huawei logo pops on the screen, we have to release the power button. So keep holding and now release. Keep holding, and here we are. Then we have to scroll with the volume button to the cleared data and click on the power button to confirm. Now you have to select to factory reset, so click on this volume button to select factory reset and click on the power button to confirm. Now we have to enter the word yes, then touch the button below to confirm the factory reset. So click here on the yes and then tap on the factory reset, and right now our phone is going to be completely restarted. We are going to restore all default settings, everything will be removed from our phone. So all you have to do right now, just be patient, and the process is finished. So we have to use this volume down button to go back and confirm with the power button, and now go to the restart and click power button to restart your phone. And then after a few seconds you will be presented with the first screen and you can perform the first setup of your device. So that's all, bye!